Well guys, let us see what is the next thing that Blender has to offer us. So before starting, let us rest in peace this cube and go to add, go to mesh and go to extras, and the next object is honeycomb. What this does is it brings a honeycomb like structure into your view, and if you grow here, you can increase the number of rows, you can increase the number of columns, you can increase the cell diameter, how big the honeycomb diameter would be, you can increase the edge width or narrow it down, and you can align it according to the world, according to the view from where you are viewing it by using this view button. And if you want, you can align it according to this red and white dotted circle, which is called as 3D cursor, and you can move its location in x-axis, in y-axis and in z-axis, and you can rotate it along x-axis, y-axis, z-axis as well. So this is the first object, and the next object, go to add, go to mesh, go to extras, and in the extras you get this teapot plus. This is just a simple mock to 3ds Max, because in 3ds Max you get this object. So let us keep it here, and we can increase the resolution, the quality of this teapot. So make sure that your computer is very wonderful at handling lots of polygons, because if you increase this resolution a lot, it can slug your system. So there are two types of objects, one is teapot, one is teaspoon. This is your teaspoon. And one more thing, if you want to smooth it out, here now the faces of each polygon is visible. If you right click on this object and click on shade smooth, it is going to smooth it out. So that was the second object, teapot and teaspoon. Next object we will see add, mesh, go to extra, and we get this last object in the entire mesh category, manger sponge. What this is it's like a cube with holes, but here you get this level, width, how big you want this sponge object to be. Level, it is some kind of an abstract object. If you increase the level to 2, it is going to add extra holes to this object, right? And if you increase the level to extra, so it is going to add extra objects like some kind of a spaceship or international space station-ish. So that's it for this, guys. If you want, you can increase the values, but it is not going to add a lot to this manger sponge. So make sure your system is not getting sluggish by increasing this value to 4. Last value is 4, by the way. So with that being said and done, if you want to support this channel, you can support this channel by using the Patreon. Links will be given in the description. If you want a comprehensive understanding of Blender, you can call me on the number given on the description. So with that being said and done, try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.